Are you drowning in research papers and citations? Let me tell you about Zotero and whether it's actually worth your time. I'm going to break down everything you need to know about Zotero. This is a completely honest review based on real use. Zotero is a free tool that helps you collect, organize, and cite research sources. Think of it as a digital filing cabinet for all your academic work. It works with Word, Google Docs, and other writing apps. First, it's completely free. No monthly fees. No hidden costs. The browser add-on is amazing. You can save articles, books, and websites with just one click. It automatically grabs all the info you need for citations. The citation feature works really well. Just click a button and boom, your reference appears in whatever style you need. APA, MLA, Chicago, it's all there. It syncs across all your devices, so you can access your research anywhere. PDF reader lets you highlight and take notes right inside the app. Here is where it gets tricky. The free version only gives you 300 megabytes of storage. That fills up fast with PDFs. After that, you pay $20 per year. The mobile app is pretty basic compared to the desktop version. Team sharing features feel outdated. Other tools do collaboration much better. Some citation styles don't work perfectly. You might need to fix formatting manually. The interface looks a bit old school compared to newer tools. Zotero is perfect if you're a student or researcher who needs basic citation management without paying monthly fees. If you write papers regularly and want something reliable, this works. Skip it if you need heavy team collaboration or want the latest modern features. Also skip it if you store tons of large PDFs. Zotero does what it promises. It's free, reliable, and gets the job done. It's not fancy, but it works. For most students and researchers, that's exactly what you need. Would I recommend it? Yes, especially if you're just starting out or on a tight budget. Link to download Zotero is in the description. What's your favorite reference tool? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.